this is Lily. Today, we'll be sharing with you how iBOM can easily integrate the BOM in between Autodesk Inventor and SyteLine system. iBOM is a web-based application designed to seamlessly integrate and synchronize CAD bill of materials data with ERP systems. iBOM simplifies and shortens product development and manufacturing time by providing real-time CAD and ERP BOM information exchange. CAD drawings can be quickly converted into a manufacturing bill of materials, while changes to drawing properties or ERP bill of materials can be easily highlighted and synchronized both ways. Let us first take you to the Autodesk Inventor software. iBOM provides a plugin in Inventor. This plugin allows engineers to export CAD information into iBOM. To export, click on the Export button. Click Next to proceed to export. This will export the CAD's I property into iBOM. The system will check the CAD drawing's revision number if it exists in iBOM. If it does, the system will prompt and ask for a new revision number. In this case, it exists in iBOM, and thus we need to enter a new revision number to proceed. Click Yes to confirm the revision number. Click Finish to complete the export. All the CAD properties such as part number, part description, and quantity are now updated in iBOM. Now that the BOM from Inventor CAD system has been transferred to iBOM, let's take a look at iBOM. The newly exported BOM from Inventor will appear as an unprocessed BOM sources in iBOM. This can be viewed in iBOM's unprocessed BOM sources screen. The earlier exported drawing is shown here. We can view the details by clicking the CAD file name demo_table_wip.dwg. This brings us to the first step towards integrating the CAD BOM to ERP. As you can see, iBOM has maintained the multi-level structure of the bill of materials. Click on the Process button to start the BOM maintenance process in Step 2, which is Material. Let's look at the iBOM Material Management screen. In this form, you can see the bill of materials properties of an assembly called demo_Limbert table from both CAD and ERP, such as item, description, and quantity. The CAD materials are shown here, whereas the materials from ERP are shown next to it. The color indicates the difference between the CAD and ERP bill of materials. So, let us explain more about what these colors represent. Let's start with the record that's highlighted in pink. These represent items that exist in ERP, but not in the CAD system. Next, let's look at the cells that are highlighted in green. From the legend above, green color represents parts that exist in CAD, but not in ERP. For lines that exist in both ERP and CAD and are different, you can tell iBOM which data to synchronize. By clicking on the Use ERP checkbox, you are telling iBOM to update the CAD records using the ERP values. By not checking the Use ERP checkbox, you are telling the system to update the ERP field using the CAD values. On top of synchronizing existing CAD and ERP data, you can also add new records to the engineering BOM here. You can add a new part, let's say and then click on the Save button to save the changes. You can also delete lines that you don't want. For instance, if there are two duplicate lines, sequence 20 and 50, you decide which line to remove. Let's say sequence 50. You can also modify the existing quantity field if required. You can also make CAD iProperties changes over here. Let's say we change the title to Demo Project. These changes can be written back to CAD. If the BOM information looks fine after this, click on the Next button to proceed next to the Operations step. This is the iBOM Operation Management screen. This is where we convert the engineering BOM from CAD to a manufacturing BOM for ERP. In this form, you will be able to see operations of an assembly called Limbert table. There are three sections in the screen, namely Manufactured Items, Operations, and Materials. In the first section, the manufactured items are a list of manufactured parts, which could be the end product, as well as its semi-finished parts. In the second section, Operation shows the sequence of processes, or also known as the routing, to manufacture your product. Finally, in the third section, Materials are components used to produce the manufactured items. To start creating a manufacturing BOM, we will first need operations. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to click on the plus sign and add the operation one by one. Let's add an additional step. Operation 30 to the existing route, say Inspection. Choose the INS 20 Work Center and save the record. Now we have an updated route. Another way is to copy a routing from an existing manufactured item and then modify it as required. Let's say we copy a similar products route, MFA 95000. Click on the Copy Routing button. The existing route will be overridden. Now that the above is done, we'll assign the raw materials to the operation that requires it. Select the desired operation and corresponding raw material required. Click on the Assign button. You'll notice that the operation column in the Material section will have the values assigned. Once all of the materials have been assigned to the required operations, click Next to send the BOM for approval. Once we've completed the operations routing for the manufacturing BOM, we will need to review and approve it before it can be exported to the ERP system. There are two tabs here. In the BOM tab, you can review multi-level BOM. In the Operations tab, you can review the operation that is used for manufactured items. If there are adjustments or changes required, you can still make changes by first rejecting the BOM by clicking the Reject button. Type your reason for the rejection, then change the BOM status to the corresponding status, and assign it to the specific user. Click the Confirm button to reject the changes. A notification will be sent through email to the originator. However, if the BOM information looks just fine, click on the Approve and Export to ERP button to export it to the ERP system. If there are new items created in iBOM, they will be automatically created into your ERP system as well. Notification will be sent through an email once this step is completed. Let's go back to the CAD system. To synchronize changes in iBOM back to CAD, click on the Import button. A wizard prompts. Click on the Next button to proceed. The iBOM plug will compare all the components and properties, such as part number, part description, and quantity, with the data in iBOM. The result of the comparison is shown here. As you can see, each property has two columns, namely iBOM and CAD data. In this example, you can see the title field discrepancy here. iBOM column shows Demo Project, which you added in iBOM earlier, whereas the CAD's title is blank. You can click on the Cancel button to cancel the synchronizing process, or click on the Next button to sync the iBOM changes to CAD. Click Finish once the execution is successful. Save all the changes by clicking on Yes to All button, then click OK. Let's go to the bill of material here. This is how you sync the CAD properties changes from iBOM to CAD. This ends our video on integrating the CAD with SyteLine. Please contact us for more details. Thank you for watching, and please click the like button below if you find this useful.